Welcome to our deep dive into how you can make money with AI art, focusing on the promising world of print on demand. First up, let's explore Midjourney, a powerful AI art generator known for its exceptional features and capabilities. Next, we have DALL-E, renowned for its unique attributes and innovative AI techniques in art generation. Let's dive into a comparative analysis, showcasing a side-by-side feature examination of Midjourney versus DALL-E. As we look ahead to 2025, let's uncover the anticipated trends in the demand for AI-generated art. Now, it's time to evaluate the artwork quality. Let's compare the aesthetic and practical usability of creations from both platforms. Coming up next, we'll discuss effective monetization strategies for selling AI art through print on demand. Let's take a look at some inspiring case studies of artists and businesses successfully leveraging Midjourney and DALL-E. Choosing the right tool is crucial. We'll discuss key factors to consider as artists and entrepreneurs. As we wrap up, our final thoughts will shine a light on the future of AI art in print on demand.